Hey everybody, thanks for joining me as I follow along with this Junk Journal July challenge hosted by Meg Journals, and I'll have her introductory video linked in the description box. And so today I'm going to be showing you what I've done for the prompts lettering and wildlife, which were days 5 and 6. So my wildlife page came out so pretty. I'm absolutely in love with it. And I wanted to give a shout out to Eternal Tell Pages because that's where I got this image. It's part of her Summer Vibes collection. And from that same collection, I also got the background for my window page and the girl that's on the tag here. So very gorgeous, gorgeous images. And so I'll put a link to her shop in the description box. So before I glued everything down, I wanted to add some honeycomb and give us a slight nod to the bees since bears like honey. And in my journaling world, honeycomb is pink, at least in this journal. And so I did that and I made these little tags and added my bling. I'm so happy I found this bright, shiny cording, and I love this glittered trim here. And the one thing I forgot to do is put little gems on my lace. I don't know if I need to. I may go back and do that. Where I went wrong, I think, was I wanted to journal about my thoughts on this image here. And I don't always prompt with all my images, but I thought I would on this one because the thought popped into my head of the three bears and Goldilocks and how everything of Baby Bears was just right. And I like my things just right, don't we all? I mean, we have our favorite chair and our favorite meal, and we like things just right. And I wanted to express my gratitude. So I could have come up with so many ways, at least in hindsight, to express my thoughts and have the journaling here on this page. I should have made a pocket and had my title for the journaling on the pocket because I really wanted to tie in the whole thought of the bear. So I made this title that says Baby Bear. Well, I don't know. I just didn't like this on the plain pink page. So I added some rice paper on the edges, and the rice paper was very pretty, but it came out so green on the page. It just looked horrid next to this page, and I hated it. And I thought, I am never going to like that as I'm flipping through my journal. So I had scraps of this paper and I covered all the edges of that rice paper and I'm telling you some of the pieces were that tiny and so it took forever. And so at this point I'm like I'm scrapping my process video because it's taking forever and I'm hating everything I'm doing and I was really discouraged. So anyway, I had a big pink center there, a circle to do a little bit of journaling which wasn't going to be enough to express what I wanted to say. So I thought I'd get really clever and say, I like my creature comforts just right. And, and originally I had lettering that said, um, I like, I'm like Goldilocks. I like, Baby Bear's things just right. They were just right. I don't know. Anyway, it just didn't come out. I didn't like the way it looked, and so I decided to add rub-ons. And then I really didn't have room to express myself, so I went ahead and thought, well, maybe it'll make sense if I put this here as a title, because this is the only place it would fit. And because this is on different paper, I thought maybe it would read, I like my creature comforts just right. So it kind of expresses what I wanted to say, but not fully. So the whole point of this page, I lost my focus and went elsewhere anyway. Uh, so the next day I thought, well, I'll try to fix this, and I will put, I like my creature comforts like Baby Bear, comma, just right. I still don't know if it makes any sense. It really doesn't, I'm sure. But I must have found the only wet spot left on my page because when I put like there, it totally smeared and looks horrible. So I even messed up trying to fix my mess up. And I went ahead and said, forget it. And I went ahead and put some more rub-ons to fill in some of the blanks. And then I put some rub-ons here and here. And overall, I think the page looks beautiful. It's just that this doesn't make any sense, I know, but I don't know why I was worrying about it because it's my journal. It made sense to me. I knew the thoughts I was trying to express. But I also thought, I don't know if 5 years down the road, I'm going to remember the thoughts I was trying to express. And so I'm going to go ahead and make this page a pocket and put the full journaling here, which is what I should have done here. I should have made a pocket, put my journaling in there, and kept my little title on the top. But, hindsight, right? And so that's it. That's my pages. And if you've hung out with me this far, thanks for commiserating with me. And let me know in the comments uh, where I went wrong with my gesso. Maybe it was that I should have used the white acrylic paint. I'm not really sure. I used this very liquidy gesso, and it just did not blend in the edges. In fact, it created very stark edges like you see right there. So I'd love to know in the comments what you think on that, and a thumbs up would be so greatly appreciated. Even if you think I really did mess up and you don't like my page, that thumbs up would just give me some confidence and make me feel better about myself. So anyway, I really appreciate it, and I hope you continue to join me for my journey as I follow along with this Junk July challenge. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.